I want to say a very big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out these beautiful earrings for me to take a look
Now
at.
this does come in different options, so there are silver versions and there are also gold, and they're all slightly different. So you're going to find something that you really like. These ones here are the set of three stud and hoop mix, which are 95 sterling silver, and they are beautiful. You've got the mix of the silver there offset with some cubic zirconia. I'm sure you can see it shine. Look at that glisten, absolutely lovely. These are really good either to wear on their own if you've only got a single set of ear piercings, or they're really cute stackable as well. So maybe you've got two or three and you really want to stack those up and have those matching. And let's take a look at the first set. These are the hoops and they've got the cluster of 4 cubic zirconias on there, and they are really lovely. They've got a bit of movement there, which is really nice if you're maybe out and it just catches the light and reflects. It's going to be really pretty. These have a hinge on there, so when you are putting them on and off, you've got a really nice free flowing hinge tucked behind the gem, and it will clip into place there nice and securely. And the next ones we've got there are slightly smaller, again with that really nice, look at that quality of hinge, that's really nice. That's going to be, once that's on, it's going to be feel really nice and secure. But these ones are slightly different. With the previous ones, they had the dangle on there for the movement. These ones are more sort of firm, so they stay in place. Again, really cute. These are going to be really comfortable to sleep in, I think, because they're so petite, they're going to be really lovely to sleep in. These are, I think, really delicate and feminine looking earrings. I think they're ever so pretty. Here we go. We've got, again, that little cluster design. Going to pick up lots and lots of light refraction as well. I think these are really great for every day. I think they're also really giftable. I like the fact that they're sterling silver and hypoallergenic as well, which is really nice if you are sensitive like me. It's also great that they're easy to open and they come in this really cute little box, so they're going to be really, really giftable
Thank
as
you so
well.
much again for sending these to me. I cannot wait to wear them.